We had caught a flat tire on my trailer. And guess what? Guess who was with me? My uncle, my blood uncle, nigga. And you know what he said? Bring me home.
Late night fixing, you see? Little swap out. Little swap out, you know what I'm saying? Trying to hit the water tonight. Yeah, we outside. Are we looking in?
Finishing touches.
Alright. So we're in. We're in.
Old one out. New used in.
New used in. Old one out. Okay. Testing. 1, 3. We now test 2. What about you? It's going.
That's perfect. A little bit in there. Oh, a little bit back. Right there. Come forward. Right there. Look at that big ass rock out.
Nigga almost slapped off the garbage can. Outside, missing a tail light, but we outside. Work for the break, though. Oh, this nigga is off the road, bro. What he doing, bro? He's wilding right now. What's up with him? You can't drive that shit, bro?
He's trying to go into somebody's dock.
Oh, this where he going? I knew he's going down the block, son. Gatorland, son. Niggas, I'm not going in that bitch, yo. Fuck that. Yeah, so apparently we made it all the way to the lake and forgot we don't got a fucking plug. No fucking plug. So we ain't trying to sink tonight. So what I think is we're just gonna call it a night. Try to get that tomorrow. And then we're back in action.